Hi, I'm Jacques Westhuizen, Professor of Occupational and Environmental Health and one of the certified occupational hygienists here at ECU. Our team teaches and undertakes research in the field of occupational hygiene. Occupational hygienists work across a range of industries including mining, oil and gas and manufacturing. Our aim is to maintain worker health through recognizing and controlling biological, physical and chemical hazards in the workplace. ECU offers a graduate certificate, graduate diploma and a Masters of Occupational Hygiene and Toxicology. Our Master's course is professionally accredited, both nationally and internationally. ECU's courses in Occupational Hygiene and Toxicology were developed in consultation with industry and are taught by experienced practitioners. Our Master's course includes practical workshops and site visits to industry partners. You will get to see how the specialist knowledge that is learned during the course is put into practice in the workplace. You will also get plenty of hands-on experience in our world-class teaching facilities. We have invested heavily to ensure that our equipment mirrors what you will use on the job. Our courses are delivered mostly online. They're facilitated by online learning platforms so you can build relationships and your professional network. So, if you're thinking about upskilling and furthering your career in occupational and environmental health, you should come and study at ECU.